LLMs and Gen AI will be obsolete in 5 years. That's what Yann LeCun, who's the Meta's chief scientist, is saying. So apparently, the current wave of AI, the large language models, the ChatGPTs of the world, is on borrowed time. Speaking at Davos, LeCun predicted that within 3 to 5 years, we'll see a new paradigm of AI architectures, one that fundamentally outperforms today's models. And perhaps more provocatively, he suggests that in just a few years, nobody in their right mind would still use LLMs as the foundation of AI systems. That's a bold claim. But if he's right, what comes next? And how will this reshape the way AI integrates into our world? Here comes in the concept of world models. So at the heart of this new AI paradigm, instead of just predicting the next word in a sentence, these systems would build an internal representation of how the world works, how objects interact, how cause and effect play out, even how human intuition functions. This would allow AI to develop something closer to what we'd call common sense, understanding context, making inferences, and reasoning beyond mere pattern recognition. In theory, these models could learn from observation and interaction, adapting dynamically rather than relying on static training data. So LeCun once suggested this was at least a decade away, but now he says, I think we're seeing the first real breakthroughs in the next 3 to 5 years. And this will fundamentally reshape everything from automation to decision making. So this brings us to the second big shift LeCun predicts, the decade of robotics. He argues that while today's AI can generate text and images with uncanny precision, it's woefully inadequate at interacting with the physical world. As he puts it, we don't have robots that can do what a cat can do, which is to say AI struggles with spatial awareness, dexterity, and real-world adaptability. But that might change soon. OpenAI is already hiring for a new robotics team aimed at developing general-purpose robots with human-like intelligence. If AI systems evolve from being pure data processors to entities that can learn, reason, and interact with their environment, then the world of automation, logistics, and even personal robotics could leap forward dramatically. So what does this all mean? It means that while today's AI tools feel revolutionary, they could soon be obsolete, replaced by systems that can understand the world, learn dynamically, and act intelligently. If LeCun is right, the AI arms race is just getting started. And it raises an even bigger question. If we build AI that can truly understand, reason, and act autonomously, how will that reshape our economy, our industries, and dare I say, ourselves? I'll be watching closely. I'll see you later.